Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming live photos is available and enabled. Open the camera app and look for the concentric circles live icon at the top. Tap that icon so it's highlighted. This toggles live on and lets the camera record motion and audio. Make sure you're on photo mode rather than square or pano because live only works in photo. Also check quick settings. Turn flash off and remove filters so the phone records the raw short clip clearly without automatic adjustments. Frame your subject and steady the phone. Live captures about 1.5 seconds before and after you press the shutter, so anticipate motion. You want to avoid burst mode. Tapping the circular shutter captures a single live photo, while holding would trigger burst. Once done, press the shutter gently or use the volume button to reduce shake and get the cleanest short clip. If you need a closer crop, move in gradually rather than digital zoom to preserve the live clip quality. After taking the shot, open Photos and tap the image. Press and hold to see the live effect play. This verifies you captured motion and sound. To set the best still frame, tap Edit, then the live photo icon and choose Select Key Photo. This changes what shows as the static image while preserving the clip. If the live clip doesn't play or the icon wasn't saved, make sure Live was enabled, restart the camera app, and toggle Live off and on before retaking the shot to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.